that you can confirm now. During normal situation, okay naman ang oil deregulating capital. So you need additional powers during special times like this.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, since my time is up, I will request Secretary to send her proposal on the amendment of the oil deregulating.
Umaasa tayo na ang Korte Suprema
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just to make a
respeto ang
really the objective here is
basura ka na.
this amendments
Otherwise,
will necessarily when we said by we meant that it's going to be an omnibus amendment to address the current oil crisis. Because if we don't put it under the general omnibus it might be struck down as a legal constitutional because we passed laws. There's only one subject per law. So when we go beyond that, unless we are able to present it in a manner that it is really a comprehensive address to address the extraordinary situation. So, thank you, Congressman Tiago. From the majority, we now Senator Brian.
pinagkakailan legal process ang karapatan ng mga